So standard 11, earlier we have done some videos on trigonometric functions, the trigonometric ratios from part 1. Now I am starting from lesson number 1, part 1 definitely. This is the first lecture in M1, angle and its measurement. This is video number 1, standard 11. Much of the portion have been eliminated by the board. So I will start directly with exercise. Determine which of the following are coterminal angles. What is meant by coterminal angles? That we will first of all see. This is a coordinate system. X coordinate, Y coordinate system, X and Y plane. If suppose I have an angle like this way, this angle. This is the initial arm of this angle. And this is the terminal arm. If I have drawn this angle in this direction, this is a positive angle. Suppose the measure of this is 60 degree. Okay. So what is this angle? This angle is minus 300 degree. This way you just see. If I go this way, it is positive. If I go this way, then it is negative. So what is this angle this way? It is minus 300. So the arms of angle minus 360 degree are this and this. Means the arms are same. For 60 degree also the arms are same, and for minus 300 degree also the arms are same. So if I take the difference between them, so 60 minus 300 minus of minus 300, that is equal to 360 degree. Or if suppose you say, no sir, I will take this way, from this to this, so this will be positive angle. From this to this, it will be a positive angle. Then also the difference is 360 degree this way. So overall what to say is, if the initial arm and the terminal are same, then the angles are called as the coterminal angles. Terms means the legs of the angles. Terminals means. So which are they? One or two questions I will discuss through this. The first one, 210 degree and minus 150 degree. So the difference I will take. Difference is equal to 210 degree minus of minus 150 degree. That is equal to 210 plus 150. That is equal to 60 and 360. The difference is 360 or multiple of 360. Multiple of 360 means 2 into 360. 3 into 360. If the difference is 360 or multiple of 360, they are the terminal, coterminal angle. Therefore, these are coterminal angles. Hope that you have understood this. We will take some bigger one, bigger numbers, multiples of 360 if some is coming. Third sum, minus 180 degree and 540 degree. Difference equal to (540) bigger minus the smaller, minus 180 degree, that is equal to 540 plus 180 degree, that is equal to 0, 12, 7, 720. That is nothing but 2 into 360, multiple of 360. Therefore, these are coterminal angles. Hope that now you have understood the concept. This is all on in this question. I am not going to give much of the time for such simple topics. Only the idea I will give, and the remaining work you can do. B is draw the angles and determine their quadrant. Draw angles and determine quadrant. First is minus 140 degree. By the protractor, of course, you have to draw. This is x-axis, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash, and this is O. This is your initial R. I will give the name OA. OA is the initial R. Now negative means I have to go in the direction. This direction means C. Clock is moving in the direction. So this is clockwise. Clockwise means negative. Clockwise means negative. So minus 140 degrees. So up to this is 90. And 90 plus how much? 50. So nearly this angle, this way you have drawn. The point here you will give B. So in the figure angle, which is this angle? It is a director angle. Such sign is given. AOB is equal to minus 140 degree because you are going in the clockwise direction. Hope that you have understood this. One more sum I will take, and I will stop here. The 10th sum I will take. 10th is minus 820 degree. Sorry, 6th I will take first. 6th sum minus plus 1120. 1120 degree. And the 10th is minus 820 degree. These three sums we will see. Now for this 1120, how to draw, that we will see. As usual, this x, x dash, y, y dash, and this is O. 1120 means 1120 divided by 360. How much it will come, that I will see. I will just see 36 to the 72 and 36 3s are 300, 36 are 18, carry 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 80. So 0, 4, this is 0, 0. So 40 degree difference. 3 rotations plus 40. So this I will write as in the answer part 3 into 360 plus this remainder plus 40 degree. This is that. So 360 I have to rotate 3 times in the positive direction. So see this. This is 360, one time I have rotated. Two times I am rotating, this is two times. Three times I am rotating, this is third time. And another 40 degree. Another 40 degrees, so it will be like this. This. This is 1120 degree in the positive direction. Understood this? This 1120 is nothing but this is 1120 means this is 40. Means only 40 degree angle actually it is. Hope that you have understood this. Now minus 820. 820, first of all I will see the division. 820 divided by 360. 362 times 720. So 0, 0, 1 and plus 100. So this is nothing but minus of 2 into 360 plus 100 degree. Okay. 2 into 360 plus 100 degree. How to draw this angle? In the negative direction I have to draw. This is as usual x, this is y, this is x dash, this is y dash. This is your O. 360 how many times? 2 times. In which direction? Negative direction. This is one rotation complete. This direction. This is another rotation complete. This has become 2 into 360. And another how much in the same direction? 100 degree. This much is 90. And just 10 degree here. So this is your initial arm A. This is your terminal arm B. Angle AOB in the negative direction is minus 360. So you have drawn the figure of this. You have understood this. Now I am rubbing this question part also. Here we will end this drawing the angle. Only some of the representative sums I will take for this. So the next question, question number 2. These are very important questions. Convert into radian. Convert into radian. First is 85 degree. So solution, I am going to give you the solution in 2 ways how to convert this. This is degree, so I will write 180 degree means pi radian. This is fixed. 180 degree means pi radian. Therefore, this is 85 degree. 85 degree is equal to x radian. Do the cross multiplication. 180 into x is equal to 85 into pi. Therefore, this x is equal to 85 upon 180 into pi. Now by 5 I can divide. 5 1s are 5, 3, 5 7s are 5 3s are 15, 5 6s are. Therefore, this 85 degree is nothing but 85 degree is equal to 17 pi by 36. This is in radian, so give C on the header. Understood? How to do? I will tell you. In the for the MCQ, how you will do? For solving, yes, you will solve this way, but it is time consuming. For MCQ, how you will solve? For MCQ, this is 85 degree is nothing but 85 into 1 Am I right? Yes. So 1 I will convert into this 85 into 1 I will convert into, I want it into radians. This is all in degree. I have to convert into radian. For radian it requires pi. So to cancel this I will write pi upon 180. Why? Pi means 180. 180 upon 180 is again 1. But due to this pi, it will become radian, and that is equal to 17 pi by 36 radian. If suppose it is in radian, how to convert into, say suppose 3 pi by 2 radian, that I want to convert into degree. So this how I will do is 3 pi by 2 into 1, this is also radian. So that is equal to 3 pi by 2 into, I want degree. So degrees I want here 180 degree, but the value will change. So do upon pi. 180 upon pi is again 1. Here also it was 1. So I want radian, so I will need pi. So pi upon 180 is 1. I want degree, so 180 degree will go up and pi will come down. So this pi cut, 2 1s are 90. That is equal to 300, 9 3s are 27, 270 degree. This way. So if you have to convert into radian, multiply by pi by 180. If you have to convert into degree, multiply by convert into radian, multiply by pi upon 180. For conversion of radian into degree, multiply by 180 upon pi. From this you can understand this. Or otherwise I have given you this method. Don't pick pat the formula. It is of no use. Now you are going in the higher standard science side. So the fourth one I will take. Okay, the third one I will take. Third one, minus 132 degree. So radian will be also minus. This will be minus 132 into 1. This is all in degrees. This one I will like this, minus 132 into radian I want, so I will multiply by pi. To make it 1, I will multiply by 180, and this is that formula. So that is equal to, by 4 I will, this is for just for the understanding purpose, directly you will write like this. You want radian, have the pi and give radian sign. If you want to convert into degree, 180 above and pi below. Now by what you can? By 4. By 4 you can. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. By now what you will multiply? By 3 you can multiply now. 3 15s are, 3 11s are. So this is minus, don't forget this, minus 11 pi. Minus 11 pi upon 15 radian. Don't forget this. Okay. Now there is some decimal angles also given. Out of that I will take the sixth one, 40 degree 48 minute. 40 degree 48 minute. This part is in minute, this part is in degree. So how to convert that? That I will do. First of all, 40 degree plus 48 minutes. This I will convert into degree. So 40 degree plus 48 upon 60, this will be in degrees. So how it will be then? 12 4 जा 12 5 जा, so that is equal to 40 degree plus 4 upon 5 means 0.8 degree. By 12 I have divided. That is equal to 40.8 degree. Now I have to convert into radian. So 40.8 degree is equal to 40.8 into, I want to convert this degree into radian. So I will write pi radian. But to make the value same, I will divide also by 180. You have understood this. Now I want to remove the decimal point. So I will shift the decimal point by one place. So it will become 408 pi upon 180 and additional 0, because I have to shift this decimal by one place. So by 4 I will divide. 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the 20 and 0. 4 1 the 4 0 the 4 2 the. By 2 now I will, by 3 also I can. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 plus 5 is 9. By 3 also I can, and by 2 also, means overall by 6 I can divide. 6 5 are 36, 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42. 6 7 are 42, remains 3, take this 0, 6 5 are 30. Now by 6 to this, 6 1 are 6, remains 4, take these 2, 6 7 are 42. So overall answer is 17 pi by 75 radian. Give that sign radian. Hope that you have understood this. Only this part you have to convert into degree. If suppose it is in seconds, 48 seconds, then divide this by 3600, then it will be getting into degree. For seconds you have to divide by 3600. For minutes you have to divide by 60. Because 60 minutes means 1 degree. And 3600 seconds means 1 degree. Now question 3. Convert into degree. Out of that, the second one I will take minus 5 pi by 3 radian. So this is equal to minus 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi. See this. This 180 is degree, so it will go up. This and this will get cancelled. Minus. So these 3 ones are 360s are, so minus 6 5 are 30, 300 degree. Hope that you have understood this. Similarly, the fourth one is 11 pi by 18. So what you will do, you just take a trial of this, do it, try it. I will give you some time and do that, sir. So this will be 11 pi upon 8 into 180 upon pi. This pi cut and do the remaining things. This is all clear to you. Now I will select another sum. So it is given minus 1 upon 4, the fifth one. Minus 1 upon 4, this is in radian. I have to convert into degree. What I will do to convert into degree? This is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Be cool. Our rule is I want to have pi here and 180 here, then it will be in degrees. So 4 ones are 4 fours are, so this will be minus 45 upon pi degree. That's all. And what is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. If you want to convert, you can convert. Otherwise, let it be. That is the final answer. Okay. If you want to go further, what you will do? That is equal to minus 45. When you are putting this value, you will put 3.14 degree and do the division. I would have done the division on calculator, but if you want to do it like this. If you want to further, you have to remove this pi now. Don't put this pi as 180 degree. Don't put this. Why not to see 45 degree upon 180 degree? This way it will be coming in a decimal point. While putting this value, that time you will put 180, not 180, you will put 3.14, means 22 upon 7. Hope that this question is also over for you. I am not going to make a very lengthy video, but to some extent I have to go. Question number 4, most important question 4. For 2 marks, it is definitely coming. Express in degree, minute and seconds. Out of that, I will take the second one, 245.33 degree. And the third one also we will consider the third one, 1 upon 5 radian. This also I have to convert into degree, minute and second. So this is equal to 245. This is the full degree and these are in the point decimal point 0.33 degree. This part I will convert into minute and second. This minute, second, why? Because if it is a small part. Why we use paise? Because it is a small part of a rupee. That's why paise. Similarly, this 0.33 degree. For that expression, we use minutes and seconds. So that is equal to 245 degree plus 0.33 into 60 minutes. That is equal to 245 degree plus. Now I will multiply 6 3 is 18, 6 3 is 18, 1 19 and this 0, 2 decimal, 2 decimal. This is minutes. So that is equal to, out of this is the full part and this is the decimal part. So 245 degree 19 minutes plus 0.8. This is minute part, decimal minute point. This 0 has no meaning, that's why I have removed that. So that is equal to 245 degree 19 minutes plus 0.8 into 60. If I convert minute, means if I multiply minutes by second, means by 60, it will get converted into seconds. So that is equal to 245 degree 19 minutes plus Now this 6 is the 48, 480 and this 0. Decimal is 1, decimal is 1 and this is seconds. So that is equal to 245 degree, 19 minutes and 48 seconds. Now for this, I will use the calculator. You won't, but I will. I will use my mobile calculator. So first of all, I have to convert this into degree. 1 upon 5 into degree I want, so 180 degree I will take up and radian, this pi I will take down. So 5 ones are 536 are. Okay. So this is 36 upon pi. So 36 upon pi means 3.14. So I will do the division on the calculator. (36) divided by 3.14. You will not use this calculator. 11.464968. That way it is coming. Okay. So up to this only you will do. So that is approximately equal to 11 point. This I will take up to this. So I will drop out this. If I am dropping this, then if this number is more than 5 or 5 or more than 5, I have to increase this number by 1. So it will be 465. So this will be increased by 1 when this number is 5 or more than 5. So that is approximately equal to, this is degree. So 11 degree plus 0.465 degree. This is full degree, this is decimal degree. That is approximately equal to, you can write equal to also. So 11 degree plus 0.465 into 60 minutes. So that is equal to 11 degree plus this multiplication also I will do. So 0.465 into 60, that is equal to 27.9 minutes. So that is approximately equal to 11 degree. This is the full part of minutes, 27 minutes plus 0.9 minutes. This now I will convert into seconds. So that is approximately equal to 11 degree 27 minutes plus 0.9 into 60 seconds. Okay, the remaining part I will solve here. That is equal to 11 degree 27 minutes plus 9 6 are 54 and this 0, 1 decimal, 1 decimal. These are the seconds. So that is equal to 11 degree 27 minutes and 54 seconds. This way you have to solve. Hope that you have understood this. So that's all today. The remaining questions we will solve in the subsequent videos. I will complete this sequentially. This is the video number 1. So bye.